Hi everybody, Alex Employee here from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to be looking at how residents from the UK, from the Euro region and from Australia and any other countries that have restricted leverage can get 500 to 1 leverage as well as 5-digit position sizing. Now this video relates to those traders that use our link to success service, which is producing amazing results, and we have created an alternative to that service that are PAMM or MAM offerings. Now I have explained the PAMM and MAM offerings in a lot of detail in the videos that you see on your screen right now, and clickable links to these videos will be in the description of this video as well as in the first commentary of this video. So in a way, PAMM or MAM is another way of linking your account to a successful robot trader. So the current problem is I want to copy somebody's trading that trades a $10,000 account with a $1,000 account. So in many cases you can't just divide the lot sizing by 10, because as shown in this example, if the signal provider is using 0.05, if you divide that by 10, you'd have to have 0.005, which is not allowed by most brokers. They round it back to 0.01, which makes your risk double what the signal provider is trading. So that's the first problem. So this problem is actually eliminated by the use of MAM or PAM accounts, because how they do it is the trader trades an account and you get a percentage of that account's trading in your account. Now, even if your account is small, that percentage is very accurate because, as you can see on your screen here, they use position sizing which has 5 decimal places. So your allocation of the results is very, very accurate. You don't have this problem of rounding up that normally would be the case. So that solves problem 1. Rounding up of lots or incorrect allocation of a small, because she's trading a small account and following a big account. So let's have a look at problem 2. Problem 2 is where you get maybe 30 to 1 leverage or 50 to 1 leverage depending on which resident you are, and you want to follow somebody who is enjoying 200 to 1 leverage or 500 to 1 leverage. So when you participate in a PAM or MAM account, an investor account is opened by the broker, and it's the same broker that the trader is trading on, and that investment account enjoys the same benefits that the trader account does. So if the trader's got a 500 to 1 leverage, which they do have, you will also benefit from 500 to 1 leverage. So MAM and PAM resolves those problems really well. Now, in one of those videos that I showed you previously, I compared the MAM and the PAM offerings together, and here you can see the current 2 offerings that are available. I'm not going to go through them in detail, but essentially you will have the benefit of 500 to 1 leverage, and the biggest difference between these two is that the ability to service certain countries. The PAM has a much bigger number of countries it can service. The MAM has a reduced amount. We call it the PAM offering, but it's basically a mixture between PAM and MAM that has been given, and the trader that is actually giving that particular service is Bo, who is very well known to the Expert Forex traders and has a very successful YouTube channel, and he in fact contributes quite strongly towards the linking service, and his accounts are in fact marked by a C behind the number. So I've extracted all Bo's accounts, and you can see the beautiful returns that are being generated, and he's been around for a while, 700 days. That's a huge amount of days that he's been around this linking service. But the same problem exists there. You need a $10,000 account to follow his services, and you need high leverage. Now with the MAM or PAM offering that Bo offers, which is through the New Zealand Black Bull broker that really is open to most countries, you can now follow Bo's trading that way. Now, just an early warning, we are coming up with a third MAM offering, which will be launched pretty soon. It's a MAM PAM offering. But this one is going to be quite flexible in that you can link to the best performing accounts on the Link to Success service. And there will also be an opportunity to invest in a portfolio of these best performing accounts. And the beauty of this, you can do that for as little as $1,000, and the management fee will be 20%. This service is expected to launch in the next 2 weeks. And then you'll be able to link to some fantastic accounts that are generating really good results. Look at that, 45% a month, 30% a month, and so on. You don't need $10,000 to link to them. You can link with as little as $1,000, and you don't need that leverage that's shown there. You can link to them using 500 to 1 leverage, because that is what the trading account will enjoy. Now, a lot of countries are really being restricted in terms of the low leverage that they can participate in, and this is a way for some of the countries. Unfortunately for the USA, this will not work. The brokers outside of the USA are very scared of taking on US residents. Regulations and the policing of the regulations is becoming stricter and stricter. So the US traders have a problem in that they pretty isolated in the trading community. As you can see, some of the other countries that have those restrictions can still work around them by using, for instance, in this example, PAM or MAM account. As always, links to any information contained in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.